for joining me today for this eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be throwing it back and using the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. I got this, oh my god, so many years ago. I checked the Too Faced website, and as of today, May 2nd, it's on sale, but it's also out of stock. So I think they're completely getting rid of this. Like I said, I bought this a long time ago. I will put any tutorials I have using this palette in the eye up here. And yeah, I literally had this up in my closet and somebody requested it. Let me pull that up actually. Angela Kelly requested this. She said, do you have the Bonbon palette? Would love to see a look with that if you have it. So Angela, thank you so much for requesting a video. It really, really means a lot to me. And if you guys ever want to request something, leave it below in a comment. I'll shout you out. I'll definitely do the video. It helps me out a lot, really. So she commented that and I was like, man, do I still have that? I found it in my closet. I bought this a long time ago because that was when I used to like buy every single palette that Too Faced launched. But honestly, this is not like a go-to palette for me. But after using it today, I'm like, oh, okay, I really like the eyeshadow that I came up with. I feel like it really makes my eyes pop. So if you guys want to see this like cooler toned silvery look, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to start off with Cashew Chew, which is a light gray. It's going to be perfect for me for a transition. I'm very pale, as you can tell, so if you have darker skin, this one might not work the same. You're going to have to kind of see, like swatch it on your arm and see how it goes. So I'm taking my Sigma E40 and buffing this in my crease right above on my lid. This is my first transition. I go a little crazy with it. So yeah, but mainly in the crease and kind of buffing it upwards towards the eyebrow. That color barely showed up, but I think once I start to put darker shades, you're gonna be able to see the difference. So now I'm gonna go in with another transition color. This is called Almond Truffle. And I'm just, again, putting this in my crease and in the outer V. And this time I'm using the Sigma E35. You guys know I like to mix eyeshadow shades. So now I'm going in with Mocha. This is a little bit more like a warmy gray brownie, I guess you could say. I'm taking this with the Sigma E35 and putting it in the same areas as the first two shades, in the crease and in the outer V. But I'm not going as far up. Again, I like that transition. So now I'm going to take some of Bordeaux, which is a really dark, like chocolatey brown, and I'm putting that in the outer V, and then I'm going to use one of my like Eco Tools dome brushes to really get this in the crease, because the E25 is good, it's just, you know, it's a little bit big and it's not too precise, so I just want to use this dome brush to get it right in the crease. I'm going to go back in with Almond Truffle, which was the second transition color that I used, and I'm going to just blend out the edges with this. If it looks messy, guys, trust the process. I promise you it will look good at the end, okay? Now I'm going to be cleaning up the inner portion of my eyelid with some concealer. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Snow. Now I'm picking up Cafe au Lait, which is that silver shade, super pretty. I'm going to be putting this right on top of the concealer, but first I'm going to be using MAC Fix Plus and just wetting my brush, and then I'm going to be packing on Cafe au Lait. I'm going to go back in with Bordeaux and just touch that up because I feel like the silver could have overpowered it a little bit. Now I'm going to be doing the same exact process on my other eye. Now I'm taking the shade Divinity, and this is going right below my eyebrow. I really like this, guys. I like the silver. I feel like it's getting like a purpley vibe, kinda. I'm gonna make this a little bit sultry, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel Soft Pencil eyeliner in, I think this is just like jet black. Yes. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I only go like halfway, but do you guys see the difference? Rimmel has such good products, guys. actually think I'm gonna take this and run it across the upper lash line just to give like a little smudgy effect. This pencil is so easy to use. Dang, Rimmel. I'm gonna try and get some more colors. I wanna do like a neutral eyeshadow tutorial and then do like a really bright green or a bright purple on the lower lash line. I've been wanting to do that. I just need to buy eyeliners. Rimmel, I'm gonna be looking for you. This is looking so pretty. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes. On the lower lash line, I am taking Bordeaux with my Sigma E15, just putting it tightly on the outer half of my lower lash line, and then I'm blending everything out with a mixture of mocha and almond truffle. I love this eyeshadow. I feel like it really makes my eyes pop. Especially, I didn't think I was gonna do this liner across my upper lash line, but I feel like that really helps the like sultry vibe. So now I'm gonna finish off with using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Also, I'm not sure why I continue to use the Maybelline Fit Me powder underneath my eyes. It just makes me look like I'm an old lady down there. Like, it just does not look good underneath my eyes, and I always want to use it and I always regret it, so I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm gonna let this little piece of mascara dry and I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face, and I will meet you guys right back here. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I finished up my face and I have to say I really like this eyeshadow. I went into the bathroom just to straighten my hair a little bit and I just felt like my eyes really stood out. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I never ever say this in my videos, but if you really enjoyed this, then definitely give it a like. That way I know what type of videos you guys like to watch. And also, if you enjoy watching my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, that's all that I have to say. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye!